This is the intermediate algebra video on inequalities. Let's take a look at the first example. It says the inequality 5 times x plus 1 is greater than 2 times x minus 1 is equivalent to which of the following inequalities, and graph that on a number line. So first, let's multiply out the 5 times the x plus 1 and the 2 times the x minus 1, and we get this expression right here. Then let's solve for x by combining like terms, and we get x is greater than a negative 7/3. Now we need to graph this on a number line. So we're going to take the number line, mark the spot for negative 7/3. Then, because the inequality is greater than but not equal to, we have an open circle and then the line going to the right. Now let's take a look at the test yourself problem. Pause the video here and work this problem for yourself. You should have gotten A, 0 is greater than or equal to x is greater than or equal to 2. Let's take a closer look at the problem. It says the number line below is the graph of which of the following inequalities. What we want to look at here, there are two different sections of this graph. First of all, you'll notice that they are closed circles. So here we are talking about something being greater than or less than or equal to, but it's the equal to part that makes the closed circle. If we looked on the left-hand side, it looks like it would be x is less than or equal to 0. Now, if you're not quite sure, plug in some test values. If you say x is less than or equal to 0 and you're looking at the number line, that might be values like negative 2 or negative 4. And does that fit the inequality? Yes, it does for both of those cases. So you have x less than or equal to 0. Now for the values on the right-hand side. Again, it's a closed circle, and it looks like it could be for x is greater than or equal to 2. Let's plug in a couple of test values, maybe like 3 and 5. When we plug those in, are those true statements? Yes, they are. So we have x is less than or equal to 0 and x is greater than or equal to 2. When we combine those two, we put x in the middle, where we normally put the lesser of the two values on the left-hand side and the larger value on the right-hand side, and just put your signs there appropriately.